Sociological perspective. This perspective is important because it provides a different way of looking at familiar worlds. It allows us to gain a new vision of social life. The sociological perspective is an approach to understanding human behavior by placing it within its broader social context. C. Wright Mills referred to the sociological perspective as the intersection of biography and history. This perspective stresses the broader social context of behavior by looking at individual social location. Sociology developed in the middle of the 19th century when European social observers began to use the scientific methods to test their ideas. The first departments of sociology in the United States were at the University of Kansas in 1890, the University of Chicago in 1892, and Atlanta University in 1897. In the early years of sociology, the field was dominated by men because women were pursuing education. African American professionals also faced problems. W.E.B. Du Bois was the first African American to earn a Ph.D. from Harvard. Despite his accomplishments, he encountered prejudice and discrimination in his professional and personal life. Frustrated with lack of improvements in race relations, he turned to social action, which helped him to found the NAACP, along with Jane Addams, Florence Kelley, and others from the Hull House. Henslin identifies 8 steps in the scientific research model. 1. Selecting a topic. 2. Defining the problem. 3. Reviewing the literature. 4 is formulating a hypothesis. 5. Choosing a research method. 6. Collecting the data. 7. Analyzing the results. And 8. Writing up and publishing the results.